Hello and welcome to bugOPS-GAMEING. I am BattleBug. If you would like to become a part of this family and channel, please make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe, and leave a thumbs up. It helps a lot. I hope to see this channel grow a lot in the future. It's mainly just gaming. I'll do different run-throughs of different things. Typically Call of Duty, Fortnite, zombie apocalypse games. Yeah, that's about it. And without further ado, let's get this channel rolling as a family. Thank you for all your support. BattleBug out.